Hi guys, and welcome to this ELT News workshop. My name is Mr. Mike, and today we're going to look at planning, creating and curating the use of digital in your face-to-face classroom. Well, face-to-face digital classroom now at the moment, we'll see. So, basically, a few things about me before we start. I'm a passionate teacher, I'm a school owner, I'm a Flip Learning moderator for TESOL's Evo Online, which is due to start again in January 2021. More about that online. I'm Flip Learning certified by Flip Learning Global. I'm also a web application developer. I've developed my own platforms and various types of activity-based applications. And today I'm using my education in the computer engineering field to talk to you about Flip Learning. Just a few more things. I'm also an accredited teacher trainer for EQUIPIS and for the National Center of Public Service Management, EGDA. Great. So, let's get cracking. My webinar description, I'm just reading it because you've read this and that's why you're with us today. Found that going digital had some pleasant effects on your students. If you have found digital teaching intriguing but found that you were bombarded with digital tools that you couldn't get your head fully around, then this webinar is for you. Let's start from planning towards our students' learning outcomes and working backwards in creating an interesting and engaging lesson for our students. What the workshop will contain is you will be guided through the basics of Flip Learning and language teaching approach. You will gain hands-on experience for digital tools to design an in-class lesson plan. You will learn how to create, allocate and assign personal digital content to your students. Also learn to reflect upon your lesson plan in a flipped environment. Cool, isn't it? I'll see you online.